The latest information on Tesla vs BYD. North America, November 18, 2022, Friday. 1. Wu Yu, Director of Investor Relations of BYD. In the future, BYD will integrate all core technologies for intelligence, just like in the field of electrification. BYD has carried out intelligent layout through multiple business divisions under the group, and has more than 10,000 intelligent R&D personnel. The brand new Tings's first pure electric midsize SUV, which is planned to be launched in the first quarter of 2023, will be the second half of BYD Group's intelligence. First model. 2. BYD's hidden worries. One hand, in October, BYD's terminal sales exceeded 160,000 units, far ahead and the number one. BYD's installed capacity, 1 to 9, is equivalent to the sum of SAIC-GM-Wuling plus Changan Automobile plus Tesla plus GSE Aian plus Chery Automobile plus Geely Automobile plus Ideal Automobile plus Hezhong plus Weilai Automobile, and its strength is unmatched SAIC. On the other hand, in October, BYD's terminal sales fell by 3.9% from the previous month. Slide. However, BMW Brilliance, Changan, Jikrypton, and Celes grew against the trend. Thanks to the sharp price cut of BMW i3, BMW Brilliance jumped 55.2% month-on-month and once again entered the list. According to the Ministry of Public Security's compulsory traffic insurance data, the terminal sales, insured volume, of new energy passenger vehicles in October 2022 will reach 446,277 units, a year-on-year increase of 53.48% and a month-on-month decrease of 17.2%. Among them, the terminal sales of pure electric vehicles were 322,167 units, a month-on-month decrease of 20.8%, and the terminal sales of plug-in hybrid vehicles were 124,067 units, a month-on-month decrease of 6.3%. 3. BYD's application for door control method and system vehicle. Patent announcement. Patent abstract. Car door control method. Obtain target information of the surrounding area of the car door, so as to determine whether there is a collision risk with the car door in the surrounding area target object. If there is, switch the power assist mechanism of the car door to the width limiting mode, so as to limit the opening width of the door in the width limiting mode through the power assist mechanism. 4. The Chinese government recently expressed its attitude of continuing to vigorously support new energy vehicles, including the extension of the tax exemption policy for new energy vehicles until the end of 2023. From the data point of view, as of November 10 this year, a total of 68.62 billion yuan of new energy vehicle purchase tax has been exempted, a year-on-year increase of 101.2%. The increase in the tax exemption quota can be seen in the increase in the sales of new energy vehicles, indicating that the industry's prosperity is no problem. 5. Recently, BYD signed a letter of intent with the government of the state of Bahia, Brazil, with an eye toward establishing a car production base in an industrial zone left after the former Ford Motor Company closed its factory outside the capital, Salvador. BYD will invest 3 billion reais, $550 million, in 3 plants to produce electric bus and truck chassis, as well as electric cars and hybrids, the Bahia state government said, and will also process Brazilian lithium for car batteries for export to China. The Bahia state government said at the time that 2 of the plants would start production in 2024 and the third in 2025. 6. BYD management took advantage of the launch of the new Song Plus DMI and Yuan Plus in Brazil. It expresses BYD's South American strategic concept. It will work hand in hand with excellent local dealers, continue to expand its layout in the Americas, and start localized production in Brazil. It will also bring BYD's full matrix of new energy passenger vehicles to 17 countries and regions including Mexico, Chile, and Colombia. 7. Hong Kong Stock Exchange documents show that on November 14, BlackRock's shareholding ratio in BYD shares dropped from the previous 6.00% to 5.64%. 8. In October, BYD sold 24 models, of which 6 models sold more than 10,000 units, and the sales of Song Plus DMI and Dolphin terminals exceeded 20,000 units. The sales volume of Destroyer 05 is gradually increasing. The sales volume in October reached 6,386 units. The production capacity of Haibao, the second model of Haibao, is gradually increasing. The terminal sales volume in October reached 7,784 units, a month-on-month increase of 60%, and it is expected to exceed 10,000 units in November. It will be another explosion. 9. BYD has a 65% market share in BVs between RMB 150,000 renminbi, PHEVs between 100,000 and 150,000 renminbi have 92.96% market share. RMB. According to the data of the last 2 months, the growth rate of pure electric vehicles is slowing down, while the situation of hybrid vehicles is relatively better. This advantage of BYD is almost exclusive. The core logic is that BYD has reduced the cost to the same level as fuel vehicles. 10. According to data released by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, on Tuesday, in the month ended October 15, Tesla reported 2 more Model 3 fatal car accidents, both of which were related to L2 assisted driving. It is reported NHTSA has mandated car companies to report car accidents related to L2 ADAS assistance since June this year. Of the 18 fatal cases recorded so far, 17 are related to Tesla. Tesla also accounts for all car accident reports. NHTSA stated that it would not rule out taking follow-up actions. Combined with the various problems caused by autopilot before, it may lead to the recall of as many as 830,000 models. 11. Tesla's stock price continues to fall. Perhaps in line with Tesla, it is related to the competition situation in the Chinese market. Orders cannot keep up with production capacity, and price cuts have failed to reverse the decline. Markets outside China are also facing the huge threat of Chinese brands going overseas on a large scale. Next year, Tesla will face more challenges. It is very likely that the sales volume will decline, the capacity utilization rate will drop sharply, and there may be a large-scale price cut on a global scale. In this way, Tesla may face the double pressure of sales decline and profit decline next year. Thank you for reading, supporting, and subscribing so that we keep making better shows.